Good communication involves all parties speaking and listening.
Not at the same time.
Definitely not. Let's look at how good communication happens. It's teamwork. One way to remember the rules of good communication is to remember we form a team.
Huh?
I'll show you. W stands for wait until each person is finished talking. Don't interrupt. E stands for making eye contact. F means give feedback and ask questions to help understand what the other person is saying.
What's feedback?
It's a response that lets the other person know you understand them. If you don't understand, ask questions.
Oh, like I just did.
You got it. O means to be open.
You mean don't have your mind made up before the other person starts talking.
Right. Listen to ideas with an open and receptive mind.
What does R stand for?
R stands for respect, other people's feelings and secrets. Good communication involves trust.
What about M?
M means to know your main points when you're speaking. Figure out what the other person's main points are when listening. Ask questions when you can't tell what they are.
And what does the A stand for?
A stands for pay attention. Don't get distracted or you'll lose your place in the conversation.
What?
Pay attention.
I get it. We form a team. What a great way to remember the principles of good communication.